guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a mirrored perfume bottle candle holders. And so what you're going to need from Efavormart some of this silver diamond wrap. And Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 4 of these square mirrors. You're going to need a pack of the round Tealight holders or some thrifted Tealight or candle holders if you can't find the round ones at Dollar Tree. And then you will need a large piece of foam board from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. So if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful projects. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these perfume bottle candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.